Who would have thought that 2 days ago we were at $106,000 and today we are currently at 93,868 bucks. Ethereum is below 3,200 and the whole market, I'm talking gold, I'm talking stocks, rates, ETFs, everything is going downhill. All of this because even though we got 25 BPS cut from the rates by the Fed, we also got news that even though we are dovish for the end of the year, we are hawkish for next year. We thought we would have more cuts, we're going to have less cuts, and inflation is going to be stubborn, as Jerome Powell himself said. And that stubbornness is showing itself in the markets right now. Some people are predicting $88,000. Some people are predicting lows of $60,000 for Bitcoin in just December alone. So maybe we will start a bear run before we go back into the bull run. We have a lot of data to analyze. We have a lot of things to talk about in today's video. Sorry about the noise. We have constructions going on here. But let's take a look on how Jerome Powell was able to screw 8 billion people just by a simple live stream meeting. So let's jump right into the video. So liquidation wise, this was one of the biggest I've seen so far. $1.4 billion liquidated. We had huge outflows from ETFs, from Bitcoin ETFs. We had altcoins, meme coins, Ethereum, Bitcoin. The whole crypto market went down a lot. The volume itself went up by 50%, and the 24-hour liquidation is up 78%. In the heat map, it looks like we are in a bear run instead of a bull run. So we can see huge negative downtrend here, all the way from the $108,000 that we touched briefly here. And if we look at the liquidation levels, we can see that we have almost no longs right here, just shorts. We have a lot of shorts and longs are getting obliterated. There's a lot of shorts now that have been holding since high above from 99, people from 1213, even 1,400 for Bitcoin. So longs are getting wiped. Longs have been getting wiped since last video that you saw where we were around right here. We had huge liquidations happening all over the place. You can see that my Ethereum for 2025, this one got wrecked. We are back at 7%, and this one got all the way to 100, if I believe, if I remember correctly, 100%, and now it is at 7. The one that was above 100%, even touched 200% at one point, is now at 88%. The Ethereum one, which got to 89, I think it was, percent in the red for me to close. I did not close, and this one I'm gonna carry. I'm gonna carry it down with me. If we go to the earn tab, the two positions that I opened, these ones are gone. No one thought that this bleeding was gonna happen like it did. And now I open one below 94,000 because I do see a lot of people mentioning that we could see 88, we could see even $60,000. As I'm gonna mention, of course, I'm not that negative, but again, I have been looking at this glass half full for ages now, and now it is looking like the glass is not even there. So we have to look at both sides to understand what is going to happen. All the bid blocks that we had at 89, they got taken, and now we have huge bids at around 88,000. So maybe we're gonna see those orders get filled as well. And we have right here some targets, some more pessimistic numbers here. We're gonna go through over them. They say that 90,000 is not the dip. We saw even 92 this morning. Some people are saying targets are between 89 and $81,000. We have this huge accumulation of Bitcoin right here at around the $60,000 mark. So maybe this will be where we hit. Most likely not. This is what I'm hoping that it doesn't happen. But we do have a lot of orders here set at $88,000 for the bid prices. Here we have another analyst showing that between December 2023 and December 2024, we could see bottoms again. We could see bottoms of $88,000, like here, if history repeats itself from December 2023 to now, to then carry up with the rally after Christmas. Also, predictions for a crash, a 30% crash, like we saw in November 2021. A 30% crash would be very dangerous for Bitcoin, which would bring it back to around $75,000, $80,000. But nonetheless, we now are seeing fear and greed drop a lot and becoming almost fear. We have signs. We have signs of a lot of people getting liquidated, 1.4 billion, as we saw. We have overall panic in the market. So if you have money to DCA, just go in, DCA a little bit. If you don't have any money, don't close your positions. If you have a good average price, if you are below the 70s, below the 80s, just don't need to get out of the market. It is part of the deal. We see cycles of up and down all over the place. When you zoom out, you still see that it makes sense for you to hold Bitcoin, to hold Ethereum in the long run. If you're new, just wait it out. You don't have to enter for fear of missing out. Just wait it out, or put limit orders to get in at better prices. Maybe we can see 88, so maybe put an order right there. But other than that, just wait it out and wait until you see green candles showing a pattern of going up, and then you can start buying if you are new to crypto. So that being said, this was a little bit of a shorter video right here. Let's wait out the market together and see what's going to happen. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend. Peace.